Hello, good day. How are you today? I am fine. What about you? I am fine. What about you? I am fine. What about you? What about you today? How are you today? Okay, today in Health Update, we're going to be learning about personal hygiene. We are going to be learning about personal hygiene, how to take care of our body. Do we know how to take care of our body? Today we are going to be learning about how to take care of our body. And today's topic is on personal hygiene. What does personal hygiene mean? Personal hygiene means taking care of your body to stay clean and healthy. Personal hygiene is taking care of your body to stay clean and healthy. Personal hygiene is what? Personal hygiene means taking care of your body to stay clean and healthy. We take care of our body to stay clean and healthy. And how do we take care of our body? We take care of our body by washing our hands, by brushing our teeth, by bathing, by brushing our hair, wearing good clothes. Okay? So personal hygiene is taking care of your body to stay clean and healthy. We say personal hygiene is taking care of your body to stay clean and healthy. When you wash off all these germs off your body, your hands, your hair, you stay clean and healthy and you will be very happy. Okay? So now, how do we take care of our body? By brushing. We brush our teeth by taking care of our body. We wake up in the morning and brush our teeth. And when we go to bed, before we go to bed, we do what? We brush our teeth, right? And what do we use to brush our teeth? We use our toothbrush and toothpaste. And how do we brush our teeth? We first of all put our toothpaste on our toothbrush, right? And we put our brush and paste in our mouth and start brushing up and down, up and down, up and down. Is that how you brush your teeth? Yes, right? So keeping our body clean, we start by brushing our teeth. Remember, personal hygiene is taking care of your body, and your mouth is also part of your body. So brushing our teeth keeps us healthy. It does what? It keeps us healthy. Our mouth will not be smelly, right? When we brush our teeth, it will be scenting nice, right? Yes. We also keep our body clean by bathing. We also keep our body clean by bathing. And what do we use in bathing? We use our soap, our sponge, and water. We use soap, sponge, and water. Is that what you use in bathing? Yes, that is what we use to bathe. We bathe to keep our body clean and healthy, right? And we use clean water to bathe. Do we use clean water to bathe? Yes, we do. We use clean water to bathe. You first of all put a soap on your sponge and scrub your body, right? And when you finish scrubbing your body with your sponge, you pour water on your body to rinse off the soap. Is that how you bathe? Yes. So keeping our body clean, we brush our teeth and we also bathe. That is what? Personal hygiene, to keep our body clean. Okay? Yay! We also have by washing our hands. By washing our hands. When our hands is dirty, right? We wash them. Because if we don't wash our dirty hands, what will happen to us? We are going to fall sick. And do we want to fall sick? No, we don't want to fall sick. So when our hands are dirty, we wash them. We will wash them. And how do we wash our hands? First of all, wet our hands and rub soap on our hands. Then what do we do next? We rub our hands together with the soap, and we do what next? We rinse off the soap. We use water to do what? Rinse off the soap. Then we dry our hands. So washing our hands can also be part of keeping our body clean. Remember, personal hygiene is what? Keeping our body clean. Personal hygiene is keeping our body clean. And how do we keep our body clean? By brushing our teeth, by bathing, by washing of our hands. Okay? And how also do we take care of our body and keep our body clean? By brushing our hair. By doing what? Brushing our hair. When we finish bathing, brushing, what do? We wear beautiful clothes, clean clothes, and then we brush our hair to look beautiful, right? So we practice personal hygiene to help us stay healthy and happy. We say personal hygiene is keeping our body clean and healthy. It's when we take care of our body by brushing our teeth, by bathing, by what next? By washing our hands, by combing our hair, by wearing clean clothes. Okay? We do wear clean clothes, right? When we finish playing and we are sweating, we do what? We bathe, then we brush our teeth. Then when we finish bathing and brushing, washing our hands, we comb our hair to look beautiful and good. Then we wear our clean clothes. Is that right? So personal hygiene means keeping our body clean and our teeth clean. We wash our hands, brush our teeth, take our baths, comb our hair to stay fresh and healthy. It's like giving ourselves a special treatment, right? Taking care of ourselves, pampering ourselves, giving ourselves a special treatment where we brush our teeth, we have our bath, we comb our hair, we wear clean clothes to look good. That is taking care of yourself, right? That is called personal hygiene. It is called what? Personal hygiene. Taking care of yourself, okay? So now, why do we practice personal hygiene? Why do we practice personal hygiene? To stay healthy. To stay what? Healthy. When we wear clean clothes, we brush our teeth, we have our bath, we don't drink dirty water. We use clean water in bathing and drinking and washing our hands. We stay healthy. We what? Stay healthy. But if we use bad water to do everything, if we use bad water to brush our teeth, if we use bad water to bathe, we are not taking care of ourselves, right? Because taking care of yourself is when you use good things on yourself, and that is using good water, right? So we practicing personal hygiene, it helps us stay healthy. It helps us stay free from germs and illness. Washing our hands and brushing our teeth remove dirty particles from our teeth, right? And we will not fall sick. It also helps us feel good when we practice personal hygiene. If we are sweating and we go and have our bath, we are going to feel good, right? Yes. When we are clean, we feel good. And it is good to feel fresh. Have a fresh breath when you brush your teeth, and clean hands when you wash your hands, and wear beautiful clothes so that when anybody see you, you look very clean and pretty, right? So it is important to also feel good. That is why we practice personal hygiene. That is why we take care of our body, for us to feel good, and for us to also have good habits to help us grow up, so that when we grow up, we will be able to take care of ourselves without mommy and daddy, right? If we brush our teeth, have our bath, wash our hands, we'll grow up healthy and we'll be able to take care of ourselves, right? So we have learned good habits. So personal hygiene helps us to stay healthy, happy, polite as we play and learn together. Will you want to play with a dirty person? No, right? Because if you play with dirty person, or if your body is dirty, if you are dirty, you will fall sick. You will not be able to stay healthy. And you don't want mommy and daddy to be worrying about you, right? Yes. You have to stay healthy, so you practice personal hygiene. You do what? You practice personal hygiene. And what did we say personal hygiene is? Personal hygiene is taking care of your body when you stay clean and healthy. And how do we stay clean and healthy? We brush our teeth, we have our baths, we wash our hands when they are dirty, we comb our hair when we finish bathing, we wear clean clothes. We should always look clean and presentable. That is what? Personal hygiene. So personal hygiene means keeping our body clean, taking care of ourselves, pampering ourselves, okay, giving ourselves special treatment, right? Yes, that is what personal hygiene. I hope we understood what is personal hygiene today. We did, right? Yes, we did. We know the meaning of personal hygiene, because personal hygiene is all about taking care of your body, right? Personal hygiene is all about taking care of your body. I know you got that. So you're going to be doing your homework, telling me the meaning. What is personal hygiene? Personal hygiene is dash. Is what? You're going to tell me the meaning, right? We said personal hygiene is right? Good. I know you got it. And how do we take care of our body? You know how we take care of your body, right? By Is that right? Good. So we should take care of our body always.